Hello everyone, a heartfelt welcome to you all. Children, you must have had friends, brothers, and sisters. Have you ever quarreled with them? Who has settled your matter? Your parents or someone else? Well, do you know when elders or parents have dispute with others, where do they go for justice? Yes, they go to court. But when village people have disputes among themselves, they go to the village headman, that is, the Panch. Here in the story, we would come to know about two intimate friends who first become enemies and at the end sort out their matter with the help of the Panch. Children, before moving on to the chapter, let us know a few information regarding the writer of the story. Prem Chand is a well-known name in Hindi and Urdu literature world. He was born in Lamhi village of Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh on 31st July 1880. His original name was Dhanpat Rai Srivastava. His entire life was filled with struggles. His mother died when he was 8 years old. His stepmother was not affectionate enough. His father forced him to marry a rich and quarrelsome girl, which made his life miserable. But his second marriage was successful. He had gone to Mumbai film industry to work as a script writer, but unfortunately it did not do well. He was a multi-talented person, a novelist, a story writer, a playwright, and a poet. His immemorable work of literature in Hindi were Godan, Gavan, Ghar Jamai, Kafan, etc. The present story was originally written in Hindi and has been translated into English. The Village Judge, Part 1. Jumman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were great friends. Each trusted the other completely. Jumman Sheikh had an old aunt. She had a small piece of property. Jumman had persuaded her to transfer the property to his name. So long as it was not done, the aunt had been treated with great kindness and respect. But when the property was transferred, all kindness vanished. Jumman and his wife Kariman became harsh and rude. For some time, the aunt bore all this, but when she could bear it no more, she complained to Jumman. Soon, I cannot go on like this any more. You should give me some money. I shall cook and eat separately. New words and their meanings. Great. Great here means close, bosom, ghanishta. Property, sampatti. Here, a piece of property means a piece of land. Persuaded means to make somebody do something. Properteva. Transfer the property means to give somebody's property to another person legally. Kindness, compassion, daya. Vanished, disappeared, उभेगला, अदृश्य होगला. Harsh, रुक्ष, rude, निष्ठुर. Bore, V2 form of bear. अर्थ सह्य कले, tolerated. Complaint, अभियोग करला. Separately, अलगा होई. Jumman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were two friends. Jumman had an aunt who had a piece of property, means a piece of land, as property. Jumman wanted her aunt to give the property. Till it was not done, everything was okay. But the moment the property went to Jumman, he and his wife started behaving different. The aunt tolerated this to some extent, but when things crossed its limit, she opened her mouth. Jumman replied rudely, "Money does not grow on trees here." The aunt grew angry. She threatened to call a panchayat. Jumman said, "Certainly, have a panchayat by all means. I also would like a decision. I hate the daily quarrels myself." For several days after this, the old woman ran from village to village with a stick in her hand to support her. Most of the people did not hear the story of the poor woman with care and attention and did not offer her any comfort. After making her rounds, she came at last to Algu Chaudhary. She threw her stick, waited for a while to regain her breath, and said, "Son, you also should come to my panchayat for a short while." Threaten, dhamak dile. By all means. Idiom, निश्चय ही. Quarrels, fight, झगड़ा. Several, some, किछि. Poor woman, असहाय स्त्री लोक, एठारे aunt. Comfort, सूत, आश्वस्ति दबा. Threw, V2 form of throw. Panchayat, a group of senior important persons of the village assemble together to sort out village people's dispute. गाँव किछि भद्र व्यक्ति, सीनियर व्यक्ति जो माने के एकाठी हुअंती गाँव झगड़ा गुड़ा को समाधान करिबा पाई. The angry aunt claimed for monthly allowance. She wanted to call panchayat for this matter. Jumman also agreed to this, as he was fed up with the daily quarrels at home. The aunt visited different villages to gather support, but no one showed sympathy for her. At last, she reached at Algus and asked him to remain present in the panchayat. There is a conversation going on between Algu and aunt. Algu, "I can come along if you like, but I shall not open my mouth there." Aunt, "Why, son?" Algu, "Jumman is an old friend of mine. I cannot quarrel with him. Aunt. Son, will you hesitate to say the honest thing because you fear a quarrel? Algu had no reply to give to this question of the old woman, but her words continued to echo in his heart. Will you hesitate to say the honest thing because you fear a quarrel? Open my mouth there to give somebody's or own opinion. Hesitate, Sankocha kariba, not feeling okay or right to give one's own opinion. Here who hesitates? Here Algu hesitates or feeling not okay to say anything regarding Jumman's case. Here Algu agreed to Auntie's proposal that he would be present in the panchayat, but at the same time denied to interfere in Jumman's case. Students, the part 1 ends here. Well, you have some interesting activities after it. Try to do them. The second part we will see in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe.